All right, fam, it's a brand new year with brand new deals. Holiday promos are over, or are they? More on that later. Right now, let's get into what is probably going to be the first promos of the year for DeWalt. If you head over to both Acme and OPT, you'll see free DeWalt bare tool with the Power Stack 2 battery combo. These are the tiny ones, not the 5s. I wish they had something like this for the 5s, but those are fairly new and fairly expensive, so I don't think they're going to do that anytime soon. But check this out. You check their free product with purchase here, and it should, yep, there it is, the brand new 845 XR impact driver from DeWalt. Pretty neat. Is it worth $150? That remains to be seen, but it is available, and I don't think they're shipping yet. Let's go ahead and toss that in the cart. Well, it looks like it is. Anyway, that link will be in the description down below, so you can go ahead and get one of these bad boys before they show up at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. Probably be a Lowe's exclusive. I doubt they'll go to Home Depot since Home Depot has the 850. Anyways, moving on. There's one more deal at Acme that I think is kind of killer. This has been around since the beginning of the holiday promos. I don't know how much longer it's going to last, but this is the Sidewinder style circ saw. It comes with 4 batteries, believe it or not. 4 batteries. It is on back order currently, but Acme's pretty good about getting you your stuff. I rarely ever have anything canceled on me. In fact, I don't think I've ever had anything canceled on me from Acme. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you have. They're pretty solid. I wouldn't be here talking about them if they weren't. At $199, 4 5s, that's pretty much $50 a pop. It's like you're getting the dual bay charger and the saw for free. Link for this will be in the description down below as well. There are a couple of hacks that have shown up over at Home Depot. The M12 vac, it is not great, but it's not terrible either. You can pick up one of these wet dry shop vac tool and attachment storage bags. I don't know why anyone would want one of these anyway. I mean, it comes with a handle. Anyways, you're going to select both of the items, throw them in the cart. You guys already know how the hack works. It brings the price of the M12 fuel vac down to $92.89, basically $93. That's not bad. Not bad. If you guys are gonna buy one of these things, I'd probably pair it with a 6, maybe a high output 5. It's kind of weak with the smaller batteries. And another nice deal that just popped up recently, I believe this is the 20-piece multi-tool blade kit. It comes with that weird looking little box, but Milwaukee blades aren't cheap. If you guys want to keep everything red, $39.88. Link will be in the description down below. It does come with sanding pads as well. Now let's get into the clearance items. Now, if you guys go check out Warmonger's Instagram page, I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. You guys will notice all of the previous holiday stuff that we mentioned is dropping right now at Home Depot. He actually has a list of SKUs. I'll get him to post it on his IG later. That includes all of these items that you guys can brick seek. Now, your luck with brick seek is going to be hit and miss. But a lot of these things, especially the Milwaukee stuff, it won't last. I know there was, where'd it go? The detail sander. There it is. The kit with the high output battery, $99. That is redonkulous. Plus, I like this deal right here. The 2.5 and the 5 high output, brand new batteries, $99. I know it violates the $10 per amp hour rule that I like to live by, but if you gotta have it, you gotta have it, I guess. It does give your tools a little extra oomph. I do like that 7 1/4 circ saw. However, there are a bunch of guys that think that will drop even lower. And if you check your local depot, I guarantee there's going to be a ton of Ryobi special buy stuff. That stuff will begin plummeting soon. So keep your eyes peeled on that. And finally, what a lot of y'all clicked on this video for, our boy Carlos Danger got the drop on the, I can't view it. Anyway, I will leave a link to his IG page where you guys can see the buy more, save more is coming soon. We have a drop date of January 31st. So that's probably the date it's going to go online. And unfortunately, Milwaukee jacked up the prices on a lot of items. I think this is the only picture that has leaked so far. $550 gets you $175 off. $450 gets you $100 off. $350 gets you $50 off. That is atrocious. I think last year we got, what, 500 got you 150? Something like that. I don't know. All I know is I remember last year we had the double buy more, save more, where 500 actually got you 300 off. That was amazeballs. I don't think we're ever going to beat that. But keep your eyes peeled for launch day just in case a glitch happens again. I always tell you guys, glitches always happen on day one. So, stay up, have 10 cups of coffee, drink 3 Red Bulls and a shot of vodka. Maybe not in the same order, but be prepared, because when that happens, it won't last very long. You've got a few hours to make your move, and that'll be that. So links to everything that I mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. Don't forget to join Deal Team 6. There's always a bunch of stuff happening here. Wow, look at that. I think this dropped, and I know where some of those are. I'm actually probably gonna, you know what? I'm on a tangent here. Links for everything will be in the description down below. Deal Team 6 invites and approvals will be